The blue whale on the screen behind me is the largest animal on Earth. In fact, it is 5 times longer and 50 times heavier than a killer whale. So, how can a killer whale this size eat a blue whale that size out in the ocean? Well, it's all possible because killer whales are the ultimate team players.
In this example, we see the larger male orcas surround a sperm whale, forming a perimeter, while the females continue to drive the whale forward until it reaches exhaustion. The calves then move in to join the adults in the group. Whatever their prey, killer whales always cooperate and hunt together, making them a highly successful predator.
As they grow. Killer whales are always showing off their playful side, both out in the wild and right here at Seaworld. Focusing is when killer whales swim fast at the surface, breaking out of the water just briefly. When they can. We see our whales demonstrating the same behavior just like killer whales in British Columbia would. Whales in the wild will also imitate each other. We see it here at Seaworld all the time. The whales are constantly mimicking and learning from one another. Playful behavior does have a purpose. For example, killer whales in the wild might use a tail whip and hunt for sunfish, but today, I'm coming to stun all of you. Trusted relationships provide optimal healthcare, research, and quality of life. Our whales take an active role in their own health and well-being. For example, they can roll over and present us their tail flukes. This is helpful in getting a voluntary blood sample from the vein that runs along the inside of their tail. They can even slide out breath sample from their blowhole, all because of the relationships we build here at Seaworld day after day. Now I want to introduce you to a very special whale of our pod. Get your cameras ready. Give me a big welcome for Ikaika. Now he just turned 19 years old and weighs an impressive 9,000 pounds, and he is still growing. He has a very silly, goofy personality, and he likes to wiggle his tongue around a lot and eat ice cubes and snowballs. He is also very smart and helps participate in many research studies to help his wild counterparts. Over his 19 years at Seaworld, he has helped inspire millions of guests just like you to help conserve our oceans. We interact with our whales every day to challenge and stimulate their minds. Diet, exercise, and of course play all help keep our whales in great shape.
The whales here at Seaworld have helped killer whales in the wild by participating in many research studies. One ongoing study